Guys, the craziest thing just happened. The fire department just pulled up to our school because someone pulled the fire alarm.
Let me talk to him.
No, I'm showing this first. This is more crazy. Look! Look! The fire department's here! The fire department's here! The fire department's here! Whoa! This is just crazy.
No, the fire alarm actually.
Like the fire alarm was literally pulled. Now, I was about to literally be like, yeah, should I mess with fire? Yeah, no, not today, not today. Any other day of the week, no, not today, not on Thursdays. Sit. Thank you. Bye.